How our SLAMCRYSTAL bottles were created in order to change the world of health and wellness for good. You see, everything started in 2004 when a group of scientists, recognized as the world's best water scientists, researchers and authors, figured out that both tap and bottled water are in fact dead or lifeless waters that don't really help our body function efficiently. This is because lifeless water needs to be revitalized by your body in order to be used, and this process uses a lot of energy. Living water, which is found in springs or deep wells, can easily enter our cells and can support your health and longevity. According to their studies, the major problem today is that natural water that is stored in pools for long periods of time, then transported for hundreds of miles and processed to become safe for drinking, eventually turns into dead water that has no minerals and no energy. Tap water and bottled water must then be restructured and revitalized by your body in order to be used, and this process uses a lot of your body's energy resources. In one of their studies in which they reveal how the quality of water influences the body, they explain that the most important feature of living water is its perfect hexagonal structure. Take a look at the images below made under a microscope. You can clearly see the difference between dead and living water in terms of their molecular structure. This is where it gets really interesting. You see, Michael Bishop, who was part of the research group and passionate about crystals, had a really crazy idea. Since quartz crystals were so beneficial to the body, could the right combination of crystals help him lose the excess fat hanging on his belly? So he started to read tens of research papers on the power of healing crystals. He even looked at history and checked how the ancient Greeks, Romans, Persians and even Vikings were using crystals. He carefully picked 9 types of crystals based on their healing properties, and started drinking only water revitalized with them. After 2 weeks, he was shocked to see that he had lost 3 pounds without making a single change to his diet. 2 more weeks have passed and he lost an additional 4 pounds, and he had to move his belt down a notch. After 5 months, he was already 31 pounds lighter and he had to buy a whole new wardrobe. He knew he was onto something big. Something that could help all overweight people around the world lose weight naturally and reach their ideal weight without having to struggle with dieting or crazy workouts. And that's when he started to research for a way to incorporate the powerful combination of crystals into a glass bottle, so that every person on the planet to be able to lose weight naturally, support their health and skyrocket their energy just by drinking more water. So Michael founded SilmCrystal and hired 12 people to help him in his quest for the perfect slimming bottle. It took Michael 9 months and half of drinking 2 to 3 liters of slimming water daily to lose 64 pounds of fat and get in perfect shape, even though he never exercised or changed his diet, as he was way too busy with his projects. And as you see below, he also looks at least 10 years younger. A few months later, with the help of his new team, Michael presented the SilmCrystal prototype bottle to his fellow researchers. Motivated by his body transformation and the beauty of the SilmCrystal bottles, they started publishing countless articles and research papers about the benefits of drinking water from the SilmCrystal bottles. And that's how the SilmCrystal bottles became so popular. And now, on our website, the only slimming water bottles are finally available in USA. By using these elegant bottles, you can transform tap or bottled water that is dead into hexagonal living water, which is way healthier and more beneficial to your body. And thanks to the powerful 9 types of crystals inside the SilmCrystal bottles, you can increase your metabolism and energy level, and lose weight naturally without having to diet or exercise. SilmCrystal is the world's only manufacturer of slimming crystal water bottles, created specifically to enhance the vitality of drinking water and transform it, naturally, into a water as fresh and full of energy as spring water. The water that has been revitalized inside the SilmCrystal bottles supports your health, increases your energy, and helps you lose weight naturally. All our SilmCrystal bottles have been tested by scientists around the world, and are crafted by master glassmakers using a patented method. Our founder, Michael, has especially selected the 9 crystals for the amazing effects they provide to the human body. Each of our SilmCrystal bottles contain these natural crystals inside them: amethyst, clear quartz, moonstone, citron, carnelian, carnelian, sodalite, red agate, red jasper, and green aventurine. If you go online and start researching, you'll find out that all these crystals provide amazing health benefits to your body. They have the ability to increase your metabolism and energy levels, heal different conditions, reduce